Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for those that have been subscribing and liking my videos. Sorry for being absent for quite a bit. I've been working like a lot of hours. Can you see I'm still at the shop at 7 o'clock? Just keeping things done. But I was backed up a little bit. I had things to, priorities. My hobby, it's to me a priority because it's my hobby. I love it, but I mean, I have, my job, family, stuff like that. Well, anyway, I'm back making videos. I'm back with new toys. I have I purchased the new TRX4 from Traxxas. Great truck, I love it. I went through some troubles when I purchased it, like my ESC burned out, but I don't know, I explained that in another video. It's back to run, but today I want to talk about another toy that I just got. So, you guys ready to see this? Well, there we have the new Xmas from Traxxas, 5th scale, massive truck, massive power. This thing is a monster. Love the way it looks, love the way it handles corners, and this thing goes through anything, man. So comes with a wheelie bar because you need it when you put those heavy batteries on it. Right now I'm running 3S 5000. I believe they are 4S on each side. As far as I know, I haven't really looked at the book or did a lot of researches, but I just saw it. I saw a couple videos and I was like, I want one. I jump on it. So as soon as I figure that out, I've been putting those big batteries on it, and boy, you're gonna see. Well, anyway, I want to talk about this truck. Look at those huge, nice rims and tires. Shocks sticking out, bright, really nice. Really heavy material, plastic, but man, really hard. On body, love the colors, style, really easy. Future is you move this, unlock it, pop it, and the body just comes out just like that. So the body has this clip on the front that it slides in, and the back it locks. So, and there is a huge Belinean system, upgrade AESC. They put a whole bunch of new setups on it. Like I said, I gotta go through everything. It has a thermal light on it. It lets you know how. I don't know. I gotta check it out. So, for the batteries, simple. Just pop it. The battery goes in it. Actually, let me put one on. So there it is. Traxxas power cell, 3-cell, 5000. Just put it in. Put it down. Lock. That battery doesn't move for nothing. The car can flip, crash, whatever. Unless you break it in pieces, is the only way that battery is gonna come out. So same, pop it, and the battery is out. Simple, fast. Always Traxxas looking for the best way to make things easier, and they doing it. They also have this spacer right here, which you pull it out. That's small clips. Comes out for the 4-cell or 6-cell, whatever. It's the next battery you put in on it. So since I'm running a 3-cell for now, here you go. Oh, here we go. The fans, the cooling system, and look at those shocks. I mean, this thing, it's really, really nice. So the next video that I will do, I will record it running this thing. I just wanted to show you guys and let you know that I'm back. I love my crawler videos, so that's what I like to do a lot. But now I got these, and I'm working in a XC10 4x4. So love those trucks, short course trucks, Team Associate, love it. Traxxas, always best trucks out there. You gotta admit it, man. They do awesome job with the TRX4. They did it. Xmas, they did it. So what can I say? They are good. Oh, let's put this back. That's simple. And there you go. The new Xmas from Traxxas. So, see you guys later. Alright? Oh, one more thing. I want to say thank you for those guys who like my videos, for those who subscribe. Thank you very much for supporting. I'm gonna try to do more better videos, and enjoy your videos. I enjoy watching your videos, and I want you to enjoy mine. So stay tuned, check it out.